4x4 camper vans are the perfect vehicles for thrill seekers who crave adventure in the great outdoors. With their rugged capabilities, versatile interiors, and home-like amenities, these vehicles are designed to take you off the beaten path and into the heart of nature. So buckle up and get ready as we highlight the 5 off-road 4x4 camper van for extreme adventures. Discover the ultimate off-road adventure with the Green Miles camper van by Coastal Conversions. This incredible vehicle is built on a 4x4 Ram ProMaster chassis, allowing you to tailor it to your exact specifications. Step into luxury as you explore the great outdoors with a manual Fiamma awning adorned with custom bug nets and magnetic strips for easy access. The interior boasts a Max Air Fan Deluxe that seamlessly matches the cabinetry, as well as a custom shower and dry flush toilet in the bathroom. The control panel features an impressive inverter from Xantrex, hot water heater, and a light switch for convenience. Besides, its galley offers butcher block counters, a freezer, a cooktop, and ample storage space in its drawers. And for the best relaxation, the dinette bed area offers dual beds and a workstation, while a smart TV, reading light, USB outlet, and air conditioning complete the perfect home away from home. Plus, the back of the van features a pull-out drawer that doubles as a tabletop for al fresco dining or impromptu work meetings. The Green Miles by Coastal Conversions has everything you need to make your adventure unforgettable. Meet the Zephyr van, one of the best off-road 4x4 camper vans for extreme adventures. This beast is designed to take you wherever your heart desires and keep you comfortable throughout your journey. Let's start with the exterior of its Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis, where you'll find a sleek aluminum roof rack that's not only aesthetically pleasing but also functional. The rack is designed to contain 510 watts of solar panels, a 12-volt air conditioning unit, forward and rear-facing light bars, and gear storage. This means you'll never have to worry about running out of power or being stranded in the dark. What's more, the roof rack is conveniently located on the driver's side of the vehicle, providing you and a buddy easy access to the top. Moving on to the interior, you'll find that the Zephyr van is equipped with the top-of-the-line electrical systems, custom hand-built interiors, and top-notch quality that will keep you comfortable and eager to continue exploring. The Mercedes factory acoustic package and added sound deadening mat throughout, in conjunction with 3M Thinsulate, make for a heavily insulated build foundation that keeps the noise and weather out. Inside the van, you'll also find dimmable lights, device charging stations, a fixed bed system with a fixed dinette, an independent stereo system, and loads of storage or cargo space. Are you ready for an adventure of a lifetime? Look no further than the Adventure Fitouts Coastal Eclipse, the ultimate 4x4 camper van for extreme adventures. This 4x4 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter is not your average van. It features a no-expense-spared coastal home-style fit-out that will make you feel right at home, no matter where your journey takes you. With 17-inch Method race wheels and Goodyear Wrangler all-terrain rubber, you can take on any terrain with ease. The wedge-tail roof rack is the perfect place to mount the Fiamma awning, providing you with a shady spot to relax and enjoy the great outdoors. And with Baja LP9 lights mounted on a Van Compass floating light mount, you'll never be in the dark again. Step inside and you'll immediately feel like you're at a cozy coastal retreat. The carefully selected color palette of white cabinetry, tassie oak, and rattan features creates a warm and inviting atmosphere. The kitchen's brass fixtures and latches add a touch of luxury, while the tassie oak slatted ceiling completes the look. And with ample storage space, including a full-length overhead storage system, closet space, and a premium headliner shelf, you'll have plenty of room for all your gear. And with a 3,000-watt Victron Multiplus inverter, 200-watt solar, and multiple 240-volt power points and USB outlets, you'll always have the power you need to stay connected and charged up on the go. Next camper van on our list is the Tourig Off-Grid Camper. Built on a 2022 model Mercedes-Benz 170 wheelbase chassis, If we talk about its off-roading capabilities, it features a durable 32-inch tire with a 17-inch wheel and a black Rhino arsenal, meaning it can go through any terrain, no matter how dangerous it is. All the exterior parts from the lights to fog lights run on an auxiliary battery that's right under the hood. Another feature worth mentioning is the roof rack, which is not only versatile but also modular. In its interior, it comes with an L-shaped couch that is comfortable to sit upon. Also, a lagoon table has been added so you can work on your laptop or eat food while relaxing. With the combination of a 600 ampere-hour battery and a 12-volt air conditioner, this off-grid vehicle is fully self-sustainable. It also comes with a 30-gallon water tank and an aqua hot heating system, giving you instant hot water and air. Besides, in the back you will find an Olympic queen-size mattress that offers the next level of comfort. There are also soft bunker bags and cup holders where you can keep your essentials for easy access. Other than that, its galley and garage are complete with all essentials you need. Finally, the Axis Van Revolver is not just a camper van, it's a home on wheels designed to provide you with an immersive outdoor experience. With 5 seat belts and 2 beds, the Axis Van Revolver can comfortably accommodate your family or group of friends, whether you're cooking up a meal on the interior lagoon tab. Plus, with a mounted propane tank and growler case, cabin heater, and 10 gallons of water, you'll have everything you need to enjoy your time on the road. Soft close, full extension drawers, and aluminum framed cabinets provide ample storage space, while ceiling fans keep the interior cool and breezy. Plus, with dimmable LED lights and USB connections, you'll always have the power you need to stay connected and comfortable. And when it comes to cabinets, you can choose between a laminate or bamboo finish for a look that perfectly suits your style. All cabinets are built with extruded aluminum frames for strength and safety. Finally, its galley features aluminum-framed, soft-close and dovetail drawers, full extension Southco locking latches, and lagoon table storage. So that was our video on the 5 Offroad 4x4 camper van for extreme adventures. Let us know your favorite pick in the comments section, as we'd love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.